Delta State is an oil and agricultural producing state in Nigeria, but in recent times, kaolin mineral has been discovered in commercial quantity. Kaolin is a soft white clay found in nature that is an essential ingredient in the manufacture of china and porcelain tableware. It is also used in the making of paper, sometimes used as filler in tablet medicine, amongst other uses. In this special report, Quest Charles Kosipre takes an in-depth look into the discovery of kaolin in Delta State, uses and investment opportunities in the emerging sector, as well as in agriculture. Delta State is one of the biggest crude oil producing states in Nigeria and a major food producing state situated in the region known as the South-South geo-political zone. It is bordered on the north by Edo State, the east by Anambra and Rivers States, the south by Bayelsa State, while to the west is the Bight of Benin, which covers about 160 kilometers of the state's coastline. Delta State has Asaba as its state capital and the Big Art as a slogan. It was created on August 27, 1991, making it 32 years old. It has a population of 5,636,100, according to statistics from the year 2022, with a land area of 18,050 square kilometers. The discovery of kaolin with its use in dousing diarrhea, treating diaper rash, antacid, and detoxification, as well as coagulation activator in clinical laboratories to measure activated blood clotting time for its hemostatic agent properties. Kaolin has been used as insecticides against various arthropods that affect crops, used in sero-diagnosis of tuberculosis using CAT, and water purification to remove chemical oxygen-scaling ions like iron, calcium, and magnesium from oil-filled wastewater. The Director General, Delta State Investment Agency, Dr. Anthony Elekiokuri, gives more insight into kaolin discovery in Delta State.
Investment is part of the agenda of this particular government, and they are very, very serious about it. Our job is very clear to us as established by Delta State Investment Development Agency Law 2016. The Delta State Investment Development Agency was established in 2017 based on this particular law. So there's a legal framework regarding what we do. We have been established to promote investment, we have been established to develop investment, we have been established to regulate investment in Delta State in all forms, especially as regards concessioning, public partnership, and all the variants of investment in the state, meaning that in Delta State we have a mineral resource known as kaolin. Kaolin is not Anambra, Ikozo, Washuku, and Uluku and the environs. If you go to really north, you will also see kaolin. But we have moved on. We have been able to have license to mine kaolin in Delta State. We have 3 licenses in North Anambra, Uluku, and Ikozo. And the next step is to do the exploration. The exploration will determine the quality and the quantity of kaolin that we have in Delta State. So at the level of data, we are packaging that. When we are able to determine the quality and the quantity of the kaolin that we have in Delta State, we will be able to market it for investors to come in. Until we are able to do that, we will not be able to market it because people don't want to come fishing. They want to come knowing that this is the quality and this is the quantity, because the quality will determine whether we are going to use it for ceramics, we are going to use it for pharmaceuticals, or we are going to use it for cosmetics. So it's a long value chain. But we might be lucky that we have all the qualities that are needed for pharmaceuticals, for ceramics, and others. So that is why I want you to throw it out there for me that yes, we have kaolin, we have lignite, we have silica, and the rest. These are areas that we want investors to come in to invest so that our people will have jobs and there will be increase in productivity That increase will increase our GDP in the state. And we can make here a mini Dubai, we can make here a mini Europe, because there's nothing that we don't have in Delta State. Interestingly, this is the only state that can boast of 4 seaports. We have the Sapele Seaport, we have the Koko Seaport, we have the Brutu Seaport, we have Udewari Seaport. These are 4 seaports that we have. So now we have the marine development, the jetties and everything that we have. What are we doing with them? Are they fully operational? Then if they are not operational, it means that we need investors to go there to help us to develop these seaports to increase transportation, because in Delta State we have 4 basic transport systems that we use. Whether it's seaport, the air, we have the normal road, and the rail. All these things are already in Delta State. What we need to do is to connect with them. But when we connect with them, what are we transporting? We are supposed to be transporting goods. And if we are transporting goods, what are those goods that we are transporting? We want to produce fresh vegetables in Delta State, and in the next 24 hours it's in Europe, it's in America. This is doable because it has been done by other countries. In Kenya, in Rwanda, they export fresh flowers and they are received in Florida. So why are we not doing this? We have arable land that can produce anything.
The Director General also threw light on how to improve the state's productivity in agriculture despite the growing level of insecurity in Nigeria.
It's obvious that everywhere we have the herdsmen and the farmers' issues, challenges are everywhere. It's not just in Delta State, but all over. We have, at the level of Delta State House of Assembly, we need a law regarding this herdsmen issue. Then at the level of institutions, we have also been able to see how we can implement the law. The problem right now is, if we continue on this trajectory of subsistence farming, which is the reason why our mothers and our fathers are going to farm every day and come back home, and on the long run have no yield. We are saying, if we bring in a mechanized farm, for instance, in tomato, in wheat production, in cotton production, in cassava production, in oil palms, it's difficult for these herdsmen because they will also be guided by high security networks. So, because they have the expertise to be able to do that. That is why we encourage large-scale farming. Large-scale farming will definitely, the government will be involved. And these professionals that are coming to farm are also bringing the expertise as regards security. So it's a win-win solution for everybody. So bringing in mechanized farming, large-scale farming will also curb these farmers' headers challenges that we have all over. We cannot be discouraged by insecurity. We will keep on solving that problem. I know at the level of the state and the security agencies, they are doing a lot with the vigilantes. They are doing a lot with the anti-court agencies to be able to make sure that we come insecurity.
Apart from crude oil, agriculture is the mainstay of Delta State economy. Yams, cassava, oil palm produce, rice, corn, ogusi, tomatoes, amongst others, are grown for local consumption. Charles Kosipre for Quest News.